Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. Y'all already know, man. Another glorious day. Now, I will admit I have been missing a few days because I stuck my SD card into this Nikon camera, and after I put it back on my camera, the images do not automatically go on my computer. I actually got to download them on the computer, so I've been missing videos. Because usually what I do is pull up DaVinci Resolve, go up to the upload setting, and then upload straight from the SD card. But since I put it in that Nikon camera, it did some type of format, so my videos are not actually, so I've got like two detailing videos that's behind this one, and that kind of sucked when I went to go look on the card, like, hold on, I don't see this video on YouTube. But regardless of that, man, y'all already know it's a glorious day. Weather's a little funky, man. It's been warm, cold, you know, it's a mix of weird weather. This, that, as my grandma used to say back in the day, this, that ammonia weather, flu weather, things like that. But y'all already know, man, we at the first stop out here at Brentwood, Tennessee at Berkshire Hathaway. We just finished this Lexus NX300, man. Got the car looking good. Like I said, it really don't take much to clean it because there's rarely anybody in her car. I don't even think she let a dog in her car. So it don't really take that long to do the interior. But exterior wise, you already know, just doing the four wheels, cleaning the wheel wells, door jambs, windows, washing and drying. That's really the longest process unless the car is completely dirty. But we done here. About to go do another car that's around the corner. She was my 3:30 appointment, but I actually got here early, so I'm gonna go do her now, and hopefully she can switch her cars, because she want me to do both her cars today, but she's at the office and I'm not willing to drive that far today. I'm trying to stay everything within close range and quarters. But like always, y'all know we take so much pride in what we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, and I hope you take a pride in whatever you're doing, man. Yesterday I graduated from the Corner to Corner program. It was a beautiful graduation. They definitely went all out and above. It was at the Municipal Center downtown. It was a pretty big event, very big venue compared to the one last year. You know, I did my recording and things like that, and I may actually have some future jobs coming up, because you know me, closed mouth don't get fed. I'm always willing to speak to the people. There was a few people in there that actually had some audio visual company, so you know, I shouted out to them and see if I could work with them. Gave my business cards out. One guy said he's definitely looking, and he said he was paying attention to me the whole time and seeing how I move the room and how I talk to people. So y'all already know, man, we take pride in what we do over here, and like I said, man, hope you take pride in whatever you do. Don't have to park the car because I already parked. I'm gonna go ahead and let her know it's done. She usually pay me through Venmo, so that's a good thing. But like always, man, y'all do what y'all gotta do, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't already finish the second car today, which is Cadillac Escalade. Beautiful car, love that color, love those black rims. Those got to be like 22s, 24s, something like that. But the interior of the car came out well. It's rarely ever that dirty. She really keep her car really clean, and then you know the exterior of the car was pretty dirty. If you saw, I don't even think I should let y'all see, but it definitely had a lot of dirt, a lot of mud, stuff like that on it. Rims was definitely covered in mud. The runner board was definitely saturated in dirt. But we got the whole car done. Like I said, the interior came out well. Not really a dirty car, so it's easy to clean. Third row seating, things like that. But like I said, we already got the whole car done. Interior, exterior of the car. We already got the windows and stuff. Got stuff done. But we're gonna go ahead and head to the next stop. You know what I mean? We still got we still got 2 or 3 more cars to the day, man. Y'all already know how to go, man. We stay dedicated out here, man, and I hope you stay dedicated too. So on that note, man, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. If you're not and you're still looking at me, hit it. Go ahead and hit it today, man. Let's make that contribution, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish the second car today, or third car today. I think this the third car. Second car, I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, third car today, but we got it completely done. This is a GMC Terrain. Car look amazing. Got it knocked out. It was a little dirty in the interior. Sorry I didn't show y'all before, but this definitely the after. We definitely take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So on that note, when you take pride in whatever you do, it makes the job so much easier. It was definitely dirty. Seats definitely had stuff all on the doors was dirty. Door jambs was dirty. Just the whole car was dirty. So y'all already know. We got it knocked out. Finna let them know we done. Head to our next appointment. And y'all already know, man. Do what you gotta do, because I can do what I gotta do, man. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a like, comment, share. And I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, man. We just finished this 2023 Range Rover Sport, man. Car look good, brand new car. I'm loving like this copper looking. I'm not sure what color this is right here. That's more like a copper looking color, but it's all in the interior of the car too, so that's what makes it cool. It's all on the accents of the door, all right there, all going around the radio, right there. It's a little bit on the steering wheel. It's a pretty nice looking car, ain't gonna lie. Range Rover forever stepping up their game. They always got something new and innovative coming, so that's a pretty cool thing. But this is the last car today. It's actually trying to rain. On that note, we had one more, but she wasn't on the schedule. She just asked me today, but she going out of town tomorrow, so I doubt if we get to it. But on that note, like always, man, take pride in whatever you're doing. Remember, man, you gotta be more careful out here, man. But people will try to steal your ideas and steal your dreams, man. But remember, man, the thing about that, if you are the one, they will come. So on that note, like always, man, one love, love thyself. But you can't love anybody if you don't love yourself. And remember, man, with all the peril and all the crazy stuff going in the world, man, we all gonna need a little pig.
Cause I was on YouTube watching TY 38.